Ever been stuck with a low-quality image or video that you just wish looked better? In this video, I'll show you how to easily upscale your content to make it sharper, clearer, and more vibrant. Whether you're working with old photos, blurry videos, or just want to enhance your media, this video will help you bring out the best in your visuals. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for CapCut.com. Continue by logging in with Google, and you'll see an interface like this. Click on Magic Tools from the left side menu. Here, you'll find many other useful AI tools, but in this video, we'll focus on these two upscalers: the video upscaler and the image upscaler. Let's start with the image upscaler, so I'll open it. Here, you need to upload your low-quality image. I'll go ahead and upload this image. After the image is uploaded, you can select how much you want to upscale it, like 2K, 4K, or any other option you prefer. I'll select 4K and click on Upscale. In a few seconds, our image will be upscaled. You can see how our image looked before and how it looks after upscaling. I'll download it and show you a comparison. Now we'll upload another low-quality image and upscale it as well. Let's check out the result. Now let's talk about the second tool, which is the video upscaler. I'll upload a low-quality video here. For videos, there's only the 2x option available. I'll click on the upscale button, and our video will be upscaled. You can see how the video looked before and how it looks after upscaling. I think the result is quite impressive. To download, click on Export and then Download, and your video will start downloading. Now I'll close this and upload another video. You can also see the before and after of this one. I'll play it and show you. The video is absolutely great with no distortion. However, I want to mention that if this tool damages your video, you can try again, as I use it daily, and know that sometimes it can mess up the video, so don't worry. That's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one.